So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover another lab that is related to Kubernetes Engine. So first of all, click on start lab, wait for a few seconds. If you get this kind of lab limit error, do not worry, just click on OK. Now just come over here and we have to just set the properties. Basically we have to set the region and zone. So just run it and hit enter again. Now just run this create credentials. Now we have to deploy the the cluster. Now just hit enter. Now we have to just expose the deployment after it. Now if you try to check the score, chances are there you may not get the score instantly. You need to wait for at least 1 to 2 minutes and then it will be updated. As per my personal experience, I have faced it. So just run the second command only. This expose command, just run it. Hit enter. Now just wait for some time and check the score. You'll definitely get the score if you're following the lab instructions and following the video. And if you're new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Now let's wait for some time and check the score again. So finally you can see we got some score on first task. So let us see the second task also. So you have to just wait and check the score like this only. And that's the way we have to complete this lab. So let's check the score. You can also check yourself also. So here I am showing, let me show you. So you can see we got the score without any issue, and that's the way we have to complete this lab. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. Have a great day guys.